This is Jack Bookey from Bookey Network News. And today we're going to be talking about blizzards. Blizzards are severe winter storms. Look, a blizzard! Clouds come in all different shapes, colors, and sizes. Most clouds are made of billions of drops of water. When it's really cold, the drops of water freeze and then turns into snow. Snow is precipitation, only it's frozen water. Cirrostratus clouds are the ones that will most likely cause rainstorms or snowstorms. Blizzards can be very dangerous. You can get blinded, you can get frostbite, you can get stuck in the snow, you can get soaked, and you can freeze. Wow, it's really coming down. Let me tell you how to survive a blizzard. First, we have to stay dry. Next, try to build a shelter. Good. Now let's find some rocks to build a fire pit. Boy, these are heavy. The rocks will absorb and reflect heat. Gather the driest wood you can find. Almost ready. Boy, I'm cold. Oh, that's good. Fires keep you warm and attract attention. Now that's how I like it. And it also keeps away wild animals. And most important, do not eat snow. Snow will lower your body temperature. Melt it first. Okay, I'll just sit this out and wait for help to come. Phew, I survived that blizzard. I hope you never get caught in one. Anyhow, if you get caught in a blizzard, you know how to survive one. Thank you for listening to Bookey Network News.
BookeyBoys!